The renovation process can seem quite complex, but here's how it works.
I come and meet you and your family in person at your home and walk through your vision firsthand. I'll be clarifying details, measuring up the area, and assessing the site for logistical elements such as access. Depending on the size of the project, we will meet again to talk through a customised and detailed proposal based on your vision and budget. It will include a breakdown of all elements, including any specific materials and finishes you have requested. The contract has been signed and we have determined a project start date. You will receive a custom Fairley Constructions project timeline, so you know exactly what to expect and when throughout the build. This is where the fun starts. After all those years of planning, your vision takes shape and your dream home becomes a reality.